door, please fit. It worked? It latch?
Yeah.
No too high, no too low?
How did you mock it up? Like drill this in? Did you use that tool too?
No, different. Different tool.
Different tool?
Yeah.
This one original.
Yeah.
So this is called a framed door. You buy this and this together at Home Depot.
Ah. Okay, so you
This already came with it.
you buy this and
Yeah. This door, if it was, you would just buy like, how much at Home Depot for the door?
and then what you just
For everything?
Yeah.
150?
So $150. It comes with the door, already pre-drilled,
Yep.
with all of this.
Okay. And you just screw it in to get
Yeah.
it? Okay.
Yeah. Well, then he put some shims in there to make it higher or lower.
Nice.
You haven't seen it installed, huh? I saw, but I don't remember either.